Have you ever wondered why Mars, our neighboring planet, is red? This unique scarlet hue isn't a mere spectacle but a scientific phenomenon. You see, Mars is essentially a massive rust bucket. Yes, you heard right. The planet's surface is laden with iron oxide, more commonly known as rust, bestowing it with its distinctive crimson color. This is a fascinating fact that not everyone knows. So, next time when you see Mars shining red in the sky, remember, it's not just a color, it's a planet rusting away. Did you know that Mars has 2 moons, not just one like Earth? That's right, the red planet is orbited by a duo of celestial bodies known as Phobos and Deimos. These moons, however, are far from the spherical shape we associate with our own moon. Instead, they're irregular, almost potato-like in form. Phobos, the larger of the two, is named after the Greek god of fear. It's so close to Mars that it orbits the planet 3 times a day. Deimos, on the other hand, is named after the Greek god of panic. It's smaller than Phobos and orbits Mars at a more leisurely pace. These moons were discovered in the late 19th century, and their names reflect the fear and panic associated with the unknown nature of the cosmos at that time. The Martian moons, small and irregular, are a stark contrast to our own, adding to the uniqueness of Mars. Ever thought about how long a day on Mars would be? Well, let's dive into it. A Martian day, or Sol as it's scientifically known, is approximately 24.6 Earth hours. That's just slightly longer than our day here on Earth, only around 37 minutes more. Not too drastic, right? But here's where things get a bit more interesting. A Martian year is significantly longer than an Earth year. You see, Mars rotates more slowly and has a more extended orbit around the Sun. This results in a Martian year that's almost twice as long as ours. Imagine having twice as many days in a year. It might seem a bit strange, but it's just another example of how diverse and intriguing our universe is. So, while a day on Mars might not feel too different from a day here on Earth, a Martian year certainly would be. Can you guess what the atmosphere on Mars is made of? It's a cocktail of gases, with carbon dioxide taking up the lion's share. In fact, a whopping 95% of Mars's atmosphere is carbon dioxide. The remaining 5% is a mix of nitrogen and argon, with traces of oxygen and water vapor. Now, this composition is drastically different from our Earth's atmosphere, which is predominantly nitrogen and oxygen. This difference is one of the key reasons that Mars can't support human life as we know it. We simply couldn't breathe in that carbon dioxide-heavy air. But the composition isn't the only distinctive feature of the Martian atmosphere. Its thinness is another striking factor. This thin atmosphere leads to extreme temperature variations, with temperatures plunging dramatically at night. So the next time you look up at the night sky and spot the red planet, remember this. The thin, carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere of Mars is a stark reminder of how unique our Earth truly is. Ever wondered what we have discovered about Mars through our explorations? Well, let's dive into the exciting world of Martian exploration. Over the years, various space agencies have embarked on ambitious missions to unravel the mysteries of the red planet. These missions have given us invaluable insights about Mars, transforming it from a distant, blurry object in the night sky to a well-mapped celestial body. One of the most astounding discoveries is the potential signs of ancient microbial life. Yes, you heard it right. We might not be alone in the universe. The Mars rover missions have uncovered intriguing clues about the existence of life on Mars billions of years ago. Then there's the discovery of water ice on Mars, which is a game changer. Water is the elixir of life as we know it, and its presence on Mars opens up fascinating possibilities, including the prospect of human colonization of the red planet. As we speak, research is underway to explore this possibility. The thought of setting foot on Mars, of building a life on a planet millions of miles away, is thrilling, isn't it? As we continue to explore Mars, who knows what exciting discoveries await us in the future? Every mission, every rover, every satellite brings us one step closer to decoding the secrets of this fascinating planet. The journey is long and filled with challenges, but as they say, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.